You'll love this vehicle. It's a vehicle you'll want to take home. Call today and get in touch with the dealer directly and be the first person to open the vehicle's door today, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: dual airbags, air conditioning, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, brake assist, tachometer, remote keyless entry, front reading lamps, rear view camera, cloth seat trim. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.